Good day everyone, this is Angel. Welcome back to my Paradise channel.
Derp. Derpity derp derp. Derp 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 derpity derp. Derp 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 derpity derp derp derp.
For today's video everyone, I'm going to show you where we booked for our stay here in Bohol, Philippines. So I'm going to show you here our room and the outside of this mountain resort. So this is our room, by the way. This is the balcony view which we booked because my friend and his partner booked there at the mountain view. So we have this queen size bed. I really like it. We had a nice sleep and also an inverter aircon, and then they have the toilet and bath, so which is perfect, and also coffee, water, and then yeah, I really like the area here. We really have a nice sleep. So this is the balcony here, and yeah, as you can see, this is our lively view. I really like it. Time check, it's 7, almost 7:30 everyone. So I'm going to tour you around here in this resort, which is the MS Mountain Cabin Resort, located in Loboc, Bohol, Philippines. I was about to say Cebu, but we're not in Cebu, we're in Bohol. So this is the another part of the room, but this is our room here. So let's check it out. I am not wearing any slippers because I forgot to bring slippers. So we're here in the part of the room side, which is, I really like the breeze right now. And also this area here, like you can just go swim. Yeah, this one is a swing. You can just chill here and swing and relax. So I never had a chance to record everything when we got here because we got tired. Like, our ferry travel was so very exhausting, especially the waves, so very heavy. Oh my god. Even though we're here like on the hillside, this is the way to go up on the resort. And this part here is the swimming pool, which I have to try this later this night after our trip. It is lovely. I really like it. Is it cold? No, it's warm. I like it. But I don't have time for today because on 8 a.m. we're going to eat our breakfast, and then around 9 o'clock our tour van will gonna pick us up for our trip because our friend booked a tour van for us to locate our itinerary plan to visit here in Bohol. So I don't know how much deep, I guess like 4 or 5 feet deep. And also they have this one like a hot tub. I'm so glad that I feel better right now because in the past few days I'm not. So this is the swimming pool area here in MS. So this is the swimming pool area here in MS Mountain Cabin Resort. I'm going to show you something that I really like. I really like to jump right now. So when I got here, I didn't feel good, so I have to drink warm water. And also, since I'm still not feel good, I want to like be energetic, but I can't yet, but I'll be fine. So this area, it looks like an event area where you can hold an event here. So like an event hall. It is really also a cool, nice area if you're going to throw an event, and especially they have a small stage, so I can tell it's an event area. And the tables, and yeah, I really like it. I don't think if they can still use a fan here because it's already like the breeze here is already cold. And this is the view here. Yeah. We're really in the mountain. I really like it. So let's check out another area here. So lots of stairs here, by the way. So since my partner and my friends are still Oh, a bug. What this bug is? Wow. So since they're still sleeping, or I don't know what they're doing right now, I want to show you around. Since I'm already the one who already 100% wake up. So here we're in the rooftop, which I was so very amazed yesterday when I found out that on their rooftop they have small gym where you just can work out. You know, I did a little bit workout yesterday when I arrived here. So they have this and this and this punching bag, and I really like this machine because like it is like all in one, like for leg, for chest, for back, and then also they also have these plates, weight. So I killed my time yesterday by doing my workout here. And this is my view. Look. Wow. Lovely, right? Very amazing. I smell something that makes me hungry now. So I'm still waiting for them to wake up. So yes, this is our view. Like I really don't know like what this part this is here, and then also like the island over there. Like I don't know. Like wow, like I'm in the another island to have an adventure, you know. Like this is really exciting part when you travel with a different place, and you have to be like there's a lot of precaution, there's a lot of excitement, there's a lot of like wonders or magic that you have to expect. Like expect the unexpected. Oh my god. So yes, let's go down. Yes, I really like Bohol. I really like the view right here, and also the sun is giving. So let's go down. I'm going to show you at the front area. So over here is just like where the people can do walk in and just visit here for daily. Like when you go inside of their gate, there's a security guard there. And then there's a signage for like the entrance fee costs for 50 pesos. So people just can visit here for daily. Like they're just gonna visit here for an hour, or they're just gonna visit here for like doing fun or weekend trips like that. So you can see that there's a star there that you can just do. You can just take a picture. I really do love this one. I can tell it's very strong. It's a bamboo. Yeah, and also during evening they have like the color, like the LED lights. It is pretty damn amazing, pretty bright. Ouch. And this area also is a parking space for a car. And also this is the front desk or the building or the restaurant area here in the mountain cabin. Ouch, ouch, ouch. And the exciting part is the heart area where you can just sit here, take a picture, and then this is your view. My god, like you're in the whole lot area of Bohol. Very amazing. So yes guys, this is the whole view here in the mountain MS Mountain Cabin Resort. Cabin. So yes, for my review on this area, I really do like the area. Like actually we were planning to book a resort somewhere near the Alona beach or in the Panglao island. But unfortunately, when we were looking at the Agoda to book a resort, most of the resorts are like sold out, or like only one room. But me and my partner, also my friend and his girlfriend, is going to book, so we don't have to split different resorts, so we have to stick together. He was talking about in the town of Luay, because in Luay, Bohol, they also have lots of public beaches, and then there's a tourist spot there that he wanted to visit, also my partner. And then it's very near in Luay, but unfortunately also in the Luay, their resorts there are also booked. So we never expect that we found this mountain cabin resort here located in Loboc. And yeah, it's very far away from the restaurants and the other tourist spot, but still this area here looks like a tourist spot for me, because as you can see, like the view right now is giving, it's panoramic view. So it looks like the West 35 in Busay, Cebu, Philippines. So here it really looks like it, but in Loboc, Bohol, Philippines. So if you're here in Bohol, Philippines, if you like to visit here in Bohol, Philippines, you must try and you must check out this area here. Very lovely. Oh my god. And also the sunset yesterday was so very pretty. I really like it. It's golden, very. So I don't know if I film. I will put it on my screen right here. Like, this is the view of their sunset here when there's a sunset. So yes, you can see sunrise here, and you also can see the sunset here. So you can skip the sunrise and the sunset. So yes, I can say that you must try. So yeah, I really do like the area here. If you are a traveler that you want to stay away from social media, and I think this one is really the best recommendation for you guys. So once again, this is Angel, by the way, and I hope you like my video. So if you do, please do like and subscribe on my video and click the notification bell for more updates. So see you around on my next video, guys. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.